Well, good morning from a sunny Masterton. So we stayed last night at the Solway Park here, which is yeah, really nice park actually. It's $5 a night if you're an NZMCA member, the New Zealand Motor Caravan Association. It's got a heap of facilities. It's got power. It's got beautiful trees and a park-like setting. It's got toilets and hot showers. And it's got this huge unused race course for your entertainment. So our plan today is to head to Napier. It's about 3 hours away from here, so we're just going to take it easy, working around his sleeps a bit, stop along the way somewhere. Need to empty the tanks, so we'll do that as well. Good afternoon from Danny Burke. Time to do the tanks, my favourite part of being on the road. Well, this is our home for the evening. We are in Napier. We are at the NZMCA park here. Kind of cool. We've got the car here as well, so tomorrow we can get to some of the spots in Napier we want to go to that we haven't been able to before with the motorhome. So you can go right up on top of the hill that overlooks the port, but apparently you can't go up there with a motorhome, so that'll be choice. We can take the car up there. Just met a lady who watches these videos online, so that's cool. My first fan meetup. That was a fan meetup. Alright guys, see you in the morning. Well, good morning team from a sunny Napier. It is Monday, I don't know the date all the time. And we're just going to explore Napier today, maybe go up Tomato Peak a bit later on. Chelsea wants to go to Kmart again. And yeah, coffee I think as well. Well team, thanks for joining us on another adventure. We are off back to Taupo tomorrow. Next weekend we have another adventure coming up. We're going to Rainbow's End for a birthday party. Rainbow's End is our theme park here in New Zealand, our one and only theme park, so super stoked about that. Haven't been there in years. Enjoy the rest of your day, see you in the next one. Oh, and like and subscribe if you like. Yeah, and leave a comment, it always makes me feel good. Bye.